where everyone is getting education and making their lives so well. On that place, the great Mr. Nana Rao Deshmukh started a school to make our youth selfless, which started in 1952. So let's now about us, but before it, I am Khushi Tiwari from class 12 from Saraswati Shishu Mandir Higher Secondary School, Chapa. Saraswati Shishu Mandir started in 1952 in Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. The aim of this school is to impart value along with education. And the aim of here is to successfully face the current challenges of life. Chapa's Saraswati Shishu Mandir started in 1980. Saraswati Shishu Mandir Chapa is cultural head of entire Chhattisgarh.
So, different kind of things are taught by teachers to us, and those things are really important for us and our future, such as education. Education is really important for us and everyone, and without education, there's no work can be done properly. Second is sports. Sports is really important and it plays a major role in our life, and it makes our life healthy, and we learn so many sports in this school, such as badminton, volleyball, chess and carom, etc. Next is arts. So there are so many competition in Saraswati Sishu Mandir, such as competition of rangoli and competition of drawing and many more. So the last and the most important thing is discipline. So if you see any professional like doctors, engineers, collector and even a teacher, the behind of their success is so violet, and that is discipline. And that is why in Saraswati Sishu Mandir, discipline have a huge part, and this is why Saraswati Sishu Mandir gives tons of engineers, bundle of doctors and a huge amount of government officers, and those who are not working only in India but also in out country.
Here we think to become a scholar, and the school is started with Saraswati Vandana, and here the annual song Pratah Smaran, Ekatmata Shrotam, Ekta Mantra, Gayatri Mantra are recited. Along the regular classes, yoga and sports classes are conducted in the school. Realizing the importance of computer, modern computer lab has been set up in the school. Atal Tinkering Lab has been established to develop scientific view among the students. Saraswati Shishu Mandir teach us the feeling of mutual love, selfless, and school is also teach us about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is one family.
So what are you listening from till now? From till now, it is about us. Now we will talk about our future. First is the Purv Vidyarthi Sammelan, where it is held in our school, where all the old students of SSM come in this event, and they will share their experience of their school time, what is the best memories and what is the best thing in our school. Second, National Volleyball Championship will be held in our school, SSM Chapa. It is a event where all India volleyball best teams come to compete each other to be a next national champion of volleyball. And third, Atal Tikri. Our school want that every student walk with a time, and this time is a time of technology. And our school made a Atal lab where we learn about technology, 3D prototype, and computer science and robotics, and so many things.
So, at the last, we want to say that whatever you listen, it was just a starting of Saraswati Sishu Mandir. It is more than this, and our motive is clear: to to create our India Vishwa Guru again by our works and educations, because our works and education is the way by which it's possible. We can say a real education with perfection starts Saraswati Sishu Mandir. Their education means not only giving study but also manners, rituals and wisdom, a complete and a master of all. So this is our school Saraswati Sishu Mandir Champa, and we are Vidyarthi of 8th. Welcome to our Prangan. Pranam.